man, we just had an awesome hunt. Awesome hunt. Southern Illinois, just awesome. It's a 5th season. We came in here last night. I roosted this bird, and it's probably about the 3rd time I've roosted him in this spot. We just could never really pull it together. So we set up on him. Got here early this morning. It was pouring down rain, storms everywhere. So we set up the blind. The bird gobbled on the roost, hit the ground early, got henned up, never said another peep. We hunted till about 11 o'clock, had a hen come in our decoys. Nothing, never heard another gobble. So we got up, we moved around a little bit. We were just coming back to get the blind and heard this bird gobble. So we set up, and within 3 calls and about 5 minutes, this gobbler just come running right in, and we shot him at about 30 yards. We weren't sure, he had a kind of a Jake sounding gobble, and he came right in, and turns out he's a longbeard, 1.25 inch spurs, probably 10.5 inch beard. Good bird, a little light on the weight, but probably because he's been breeding these hens up all year. But great hunt, really exciting, went down really quick, and that's how it happens sometimes. We shot him at 12 noon. It was an awesome hunt. What do you think, Bruce?
Congratulations.
Happened quick, man. It was awesome. It was just awesome. Great hunt.
Yep. Can't believe how fast it all went down once it did go down.
Yep. But good bird, man. I mean, the spurs on him, like really sharp, probably 1.25 inches. 4-year-old bird.
You deserve him. We hunted hard this morning for him.
Yes, we did. Long day, but this is what happens. You know, you sit late, the birds are henned up. You know, you let them split up. Right before we got to the spot to get our stuff, we saw the 3 hens he was probably with this morning out in the field behind the camera. And we even thought about it, you know, but we still were going to pack our stuff up and thinking about going. And then this bird gobbled, luckily, or we probably would have bumped him when we walked around the corner. But 3 calls, he come running in, just gobbling the whole way. Unfortunately, he never gobbled on camera, I don't think. By the time we got set it up, he was just in the decoy, and it was time to shoot. I think he saw me. He was looking right at me. Great hunt, man. Thanks.
Good job.
Thank you.